I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Map access, bait, and stealth gear. Head straight to Bamboo Grove, don't linger elsewhere. Once there, place one bait at the eastern clearing and wait without moving for 30 seconds. Make sure to crouch and enable scent reducer so detection chance falls. This increases spawn probability. If nothing appears, move 10 meters and repeat with a different bait. You're initiating the encounter now. The game checks proximity, bait type, and stealth simultaneously. Once baited, maintain a low profile and listen for sound cues. Rustling means close. A soft chime signals visibility. Move slowly along a predicted path. Step only when the panda is distracted by bait. If multiple pandas exist, alternate baits every 45 seconds to shift their focus and avoid scaring them off. Make sure to hold your camera or interaction tool ready. When the chime occurs, approach at a steady pace and perform the capture action. This sequence times the spawn window, and so you finish by executing the capture within 5 seconds of sighting. Hesitation often causes a flee. Once captured, confirm the panda is registered in your log and remove any remaining bait to avoid attracting others. If the panda flees, don't chase. Exit the area for 2 minutes to reset spawns, then return with fresh bait and full stealth durability. Make sure to check your inventory and gear before retrying, so you're not interrupted mid-attempt and lose your spawn window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.